been waiting for. So we are celebrating the first day of summer, and a great spot to do that, of course, is right outside your front door. So whether you call it a veranda or a porch, it's perfect for a chat and a cool drink. Now, we absolutely love our front porch. We live out there. We use it all the time. There's a pic right here of what it's like there. It's almost like an extension of the house. And we found some great inspiration shots on Instagram. So this one's in West Virginia. I love the ceiling fans and the ferns. Here they've made it bright and beautiful with lots of flowers. This gorgeous front porch is in Georgia, and this cozy one is by, of course, Benjamin Moore. Now, to help you decorate your own space, we're putting our designers to the test with the Veranda Showdown. So we gave our experts the same 3 basics. They all got outdoor flooring from IKEA, a wall, and a door. Now let's see what they did with them. Our challengers today, Colin and Justin, Ryan and Sharon Grech. This is a great idea. Now, you guys helped me so immensely with my front porch, and you've got all these great ideas, everything that you can use with paint. But describe your style for us out here.
I decided for this one to go modern, to go a little streamlined, black and white, a pop of color, of course.
Always.
But a lot of people have siding, so I decided to start with siding but paint it gray. So this is Amherst gray. So it's a nice contemporary sort of canvas to start with, and then layer on some color. So I often talk about the whites that you use outside. This time I used cloud white because I wanted that sharp contrast to the Amherst gray. And then I used jalapeno pepper for the door.
That is rare. There are very few homes that you will drive past and you will see a color like this. It works so brilliantly with the gray.
Doesn't it look great with the gray? And I've seen something similar to that with on a white house, and I thought, isn't that nice? Like, it's a really nice way to brighten it up, and it feels more modern. So what I wanted to do was go modern with the black and white, but I always love to add more comfort. And outside, you've got to think about the curb appeal. You've got to think about your personality, but you also want to think about function. You want to enjoy it like you do. I know you were always out on yours with your family, so you have to have comfy furniture. So I went with ARD Outdoor. They have beautiful pieces that feel like interior furniture. So this one, honestly, everyone today has asked me, is that really outdoor? Is that really outdoor?
I can't believe it.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's
like
amazing.
An olefin weave, so it's a synthetic fiber. It can handle the rain, and it won't expand like your cable knit sweater we were talking about earlier. It's going to dry. You can clean it off. It's got sunbrella fabric, so you can go with the white. So again, like, it's very comfy, cozy, but I think that adds sort of a little bit of a cozy texture to that gray and white. Black and white in the table, black and white in your area rug. I'm calling it an area rug because it's larger than your typical doormat.
It's huge.
And I think it's important to think about that because you don't want it to look like a little postage stamp, right? Like, you want it to have, you want to see that pattern.
It makes it more grand, the entrance.
Absolutely. And so I think when it comes down to it, adding a little bit of wood with this look keeps it from being too minimal and too stark. So of course, the fantastic wood flooring. And then I added a little privacy screen. So I stained it with Arbor Coat in a cedar tone. So I wanted to bring that little bit of orange just to add some contrast out here. And you could add little bits of copper, but I wanted to keep it pretty simple with the black. So I went with a very sleek, cylindrical lighting. The numbers, everything's vertical, so you've got these nice lines.
Okay, so the black mat, we're seeing this so much indoors. I love the fact that we're seeing this now in our exteriors. The gorgeous doorknob as well. So like all these details that we don't even really think about, but it all works together.
It all works together. It's like putting an outfit together. You got to think about all the little details. So
I'm loving the privacy panel as well. Depending on the neighborhood you live in, I needed some privacy in mine. So we dealt with that as well, and I was very happy about that. Very
really
nice.
Helps. So again, you can put greens, you can do whatever you want, but I think you want to have that privacy on the side. So.
Absolutely. We want to say a big thank you to Union Lighting, as I mentioned, that gorgeous lighting. Can we talk a bit about your drink?
Of course,
because if you're on the front porch, let's sip a little something. What have you got for us?
So my signature drink for the spring and the summer is an Aperol Spritz. And Prosecco, Aperol, and a little bit of club soda. And I had this in Italy in 2010 for the first time, and I haven't stopped drinking it since.
I remember when you came back with this drink, and then everybody had to have this drink because Sharon's like, you gotta try this drink. It is the drink for summer for you.
And I've got one for you, but you have to wait till after the show.
Oh, fine. All right.